spending time for the A.
Hey.
You know I love my A.
Hey, clap it up. Hey, you got it, Red. Hey, hey, what you got? Hey, hey.
I go to school for my A.
Hey.
Stop playing in class for my A.
Hey.
Keep grinding for my A. I don't feel like writing 8 bars.
So let's see what we got. We got killing every beat for the A.
I am saying every day for the A.
For the A.
I'm only spending 5 heat for the A.
Stay on tape every day for the
I'm only spending 5 heat for the A.
Hey, I go to school and look for the A. Who get ramen noodles every day for the A. Hey, I'm going home and studying for the A. Homework, what to say? See, is it?
I'm going home and study for the A. Hey. So go home and study for the A. We need one more line after that, and then we can come in home, work straight, complete for the A. Go to sleep. It's like you gotta keep going. So it's like I'm killing every beat for the A. Hey, I'm killing every beat for the A. Hey, only spitting hot flame for the A. Hey. I can't. So you said. I'm sitting reading your hand right. You said.
I'm killing every beat for the A.
Hey. Hey.
I'm killing every beat for the A.
Hey.
I'm only spitting fire heat for the A.
Hey.
I go to sleep and miss some sleep for the A.
Hey.
I'm in noodles every day for the A.
Hey.
I go to home and study for the A. I gotta do extra just to make it anyway.
Hey, homework stay complete for the A. Wait,
Go to sleep.
Go to sleep.
Wake up and do it again the next day.
Stop playing it. Alright, you gotta go all the way through in order for this. It ends though.
Wait, let me go to this one.
Barbary cheese for the A.
Messing up everybody. Clap, 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 clap. Hey, I'ma go to school for the A. Hey, stop playing in class for my A. 24/7 grinding for my A. Who playing? Not me for my A. Hey, saying no to drugs for my A. Who sleeping in class? Not me. You see what I'm saying? So it's like even though you mess up, you can just change your delivery, your demeanor, your delivery. So let's hear it now. So you gotta add delivery to it. So I'ma go to school for the A. Hey, let me hear that.
I'ma go to school for my A. Stop playing in class for my A. 24/7 keep grinding for the A.
Wait, I want you to keep repeating. I'ma go to school for the A until you get some swag to it.
I'ma go to school for the A.
It ain't swag, man.
I'ma go to school for the
Still
A.
ain't swag.
I'ma go to school for
Nope.
the A.
You ain't feeling it. I don't feel like you feeling it. I feel like
early when I was
act like you having fun. Act like you having fun.
I'ma go to school for the A.
Hey.
I'ma go to school for the A.
Hey, I don't feel it. I don't believe
I'ma
it.
go to school for the
I
A.
don't believe it.
I'ma go to school for the A.
Are you?
I'ma go to school for the A.
Okay. Stop playing in class for the A.
Stop playing in class for the A.
Okay, back to I'ma go to school for the A. Hey, stop playing in class for the A. Hey.
I'ma go to school for the A.
Hey.
Stop playing in class for the A.
Again.
I'ma go to school for the A.
Hey.
Stop playing in class for the A.
Hey, again.
I'ma go to school for the A.
Hey,
Stop playing in class for the A.
Next line, 24/7, grinding for my A. Hey.
24/7 keep grinding for my A.
Hey.
24/7 grinding for my A.
Hey.
24/7 keep grinding for my A.
Hey.
24/7 keep grinding for my
Slow it
A.
down.
24/7 keep grinding for the A.
Hey.
24/7 keep grinding for the A.
Force down, because you was rapping too fast. Let's hear what you got.
You gonna give me a
Go for it.
I would do it for the A.
That's not exciting. I need you to send delivery like you mean it.
I would do it for the A. My teachers love my A. I would work hard for the A.
See how you going too fast? I'ma go. How you started off?
I would do it for the A.
I would do it for the A. Hey, what's the next line?
My teachers love my A.
My teacher, I'ma do it for the A. Hey, all my teachers, they love my A.
So I
Hey. You don't have to say A. What I'm saying is you gotta add your delivery, your swag to it.
Okay.
You ready?
Yes.
So I'ma do it for the A. Hey, all my teachers love my A. Hey, I'ma go to class for the A. Hey, no cheating, I'ma pass for the A. Hey, You gotta like I'm making this up as I go. That's you gotta spit your delivery. You ready? So let's do it. Hey.
I would do it for that A.
Hey.
My teachers love my A.
Hey.
I work hard for that A.
Hey.
I don't even curse on that A.
Hey.
I don't play on that A.
Hey.
You know I look for my A.
Hey.
I pray to God for my A.
Hey.
You know I love my
Hey,
A.
hey, there you go. So look, what's funny is when you start making this ugly face, it's like, I want you to, I kid you not, when we work out, when me and my friends work out, we always say, make the ugly face. The ugly face, it's like we call that, I kid you not, we call that character. You feel me? You're building character, right? So make your ugly face. You're in front of a microphone. You feel me? So let's go. It's like, I do it for my A. I'm like, oh, look at his face. Like, he doing it. I do it for my A. All right, let's get back up here. I need you to focus on this. Focus right here. And I need you to talk to that like they disrespected you or something. I do it for the A. Like, I got this. Now do it that way. Let's go.
I do it for the A.
Hey.
My teachers love my A.
Hey.
I would work hard for that A.
Hey.
You know I don't curse on that A.
Hey.
I don't even play on that A.
Nope.
I always look for my A.
Hey.
I pray to God for my A.
Okay.
You know I love my A.
All right, go. All right, get on up here. Your turn. All right, let's do it. Let's go. Delivery. Let's go.
Okay.
Go. Hey. Hey. Hey.
I'm feeling every beat for that A.
Hey.
I'm only spitting fire heat for that A.
Hey.
I go to school and miss some sleep for that A.
Okay.
Eating ramen noodles every day for that A.
Okay.
I'm going home to study for that A.
Yeah.
I gotta do extra just to make it anyway.
Woo.
All right, shaking please for that A.
Oh.
Go to sleep, wake up, do it again the next day.
Okay.
Yeah, nice.
There we go.
Nice.
Better. Much better. Hey.
Y'all ready to hit it?
Oh yeah, let's go. One more time. Let's get it done.
Here we go. Let me pause this real quick.
You better throw it at me when I move it. Or don't throw it.
Why don't you put your notes up first? I'll just hold it. All right, come on, let's go. Clap.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hey! 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 Hey!
I would do it for that A.
Hey!
My teachers love my A.
Hey!
I work hard for that A.
Hey!
I don't curse on that A.
Hey!
I'll go play on that A.
Hey!
I will look for that A.
Hey!
I pray to God for that A.
Hey!
You know I love my A.
Hey! Clap it up. Hey! You got it, Red. Hey! Hey! What you got? Hey! Hey!
I go to school for my A.
Hey!
Stop playing in class for my A.
Hey!
Keep grinding for my A.
Hey!
Y'all stop grinding for my A.
Hey!
Playing in class for my A.
Hey!
Y'all sleeping in class for my A.
Hey!
Saying no to drugs for my A.
Hey!
Okay, for my A.
I'm only spitting fire heat for that A. I go to school and miss some sleep for that A. Ramen noodles every day for that A. Going home to study for that A. I gotta do extra just to make it anyway. Shaking heat for that A. Go to sleep, wake up, do it again the next day. Oh, give it up with me already.
We ain't giving up.
Let me improvise a new
Improvise.
I did.
You improvise a little bit.